Bonggang-bongga at sulit nga ang pinaghirapan ni Kim Chiu matapos bonggang tanggapin ng mga supporters and buyers ang kanyang House of Little Bunny launching ng new collection ngayong September 16 at suppose nga niya sold out na agad ang ilan sa mga design. Napapost pa si Kim Chiu at sinabing, "Thank you everyone for supporting my business. It's been a few hours since we launched our new design and some items have been sold out. Website is on fire. Maraming salamat po. Please bear with us if mabagal po yung site. Pero kaya po namin today. Thank you everyone." Yes, may mga new stocks po agad at talagang sold out pa lang, wala pang isang oras ang nakalipas para sa mga ibang design. Kung gusto mong bumili, i-open lang sa iyong browser ang House of Little Bunny PH at doon mo makikita ang mga new design. Napaka-supportive naman ni Ma'am si Bella na sinabing, "Place my House of Little Bunny order. Congrats on the new collection, Kim Chiu." Nag-reply naman si Kim kay Ma'am si Bella at sinabing, Ma'am si, I'm gonna cry na. Thank you Ma'am si. Congrats also on Bella. Bye Bella. We are now on our entrepreneurship era. Ito nga po ang makikita mo sa website ng House of Little Bunny PH na halos puro sold out na. Pero kung gusto mo,
okay lang. This is our timeless in 22 cm. So this is super nice. Pwede siya for wedding events. Pwede siyang for ano bang gusto niyong event? Dressy, casual. This is made of genuine leather. And meron pa siyang ayan, may laman pa siya sa loob. May laman pa. Hindi pa ginamit. And this is the zipper. Ayan, maganda po bang mga formal events, wedding.